My name is Beth Andersen of Andersen Law PC. I am a divorce attorney. Now, hospitals do not let people show up and do medical procedures on their own kids. And you cannot drive a car without training and a license. But guess what you can do? Waltz into court and handle a hearing on your own divorce without any training, much less a license to practice law. Now, this is something people have years of education and training and still find challenging. I am tempted to say good luck with that, except a huge percentage of people do have to do this in order to protect their family, finances, and future. So I am going to give you some tips. First, do not procrastinate. Make a to-do list and calendar deadlines right away. The court issues a case management order that tells you what to do and when. Read and obey it. If you are not good at paperwork, find someone who is to help you stay on track. Courts do not like to give continuances, extending deadlines, so just get ready and get it over with on time. Second, find your top 3 arguments for the hearing. It will go fast, and you will not have time to argue every single thing. Start with your top priority. I suggest parents start with parental responsibilities, which means parenting time and decision making, because this is usually their first concern. Financial issues are pretty easy to triage. The more money at stake, the more priority. I am not saying you will not get to other issues, but first things first. Have a timer at the hearing to make sure you stay on track to get to the issues. Third, you need certain things for the hearing. Witness disclosures, 4 trial notebooks, a joint trial management certificate prepared together with your spouse or the person on the other side. Finally, look up the law on point, including some basic rules of evidence. You can do this, and there are people to help. The courts have self-help clerks who are amazing, and they often have training clinics and Ask an Attorney Day. For a fast, easy, and free consult, call me with your paper and pen in hand. I will go over the facts of your case and give a list of personalized tips. I do this every day, and I love doing it. I am happy to talk to you to get you in the right direction and also offer affordable coaching if you want more help. My name is Beth Andersen. My law firm is Andersen Law PC, protecting your family, your finances, and your future.